Open the kit and get your materials ready. 1 test card, 1 swab, 1 diluent dropper, 1 extraction tube, 1 tube cap, and 2 stirrers. Set your workspace on a clean and flat surface. Open the swab and place it inside the patient's mouth between the lower gum and cheek. The patient must leave it still for 1 minute and not force saliva production. Meanwhile, take the diluent dropper and add 5 drops to the extraction tube. Both the dropper and the container should be vertical to deliver the correct amount. After 1 minute, remove the swab from the patient's mouth, submerge it into the diluent and swirl for 30 seconds. Then, squeeze the foam tip by finger pressing on the extraction tube walls to recover most of the sample. Discard the swab. Put the tube cap on the extraction tube. Press firmly until you hear a slight clicking sound to close it completely. Open the sachet and put the test card on a flat surface. You can discard the desiccant. Take the tube upside down and shake it once to bring the sample to the tip. Add 1 drop in the center of the left site from a 2 cm height. Then, add 1 drop in the center of the right site from the same height. Allow each drop to fully form and fall by itself. Now wait for 2 minutes without moving the card. After the 2 minutes, dissolve the reagent in the center of the left site with a stirrer. Keep on mixing until the reagent is completely dissolved and there are no white spots. Finally, distribute the sample to cover all the site area, including the edges. Take a new stirrer and repeat the same process on the right site. Thoroughly dissolve the reagent. Break any remnants with the stirrer until they disappear. Once it is completely dissolved, cover the entire site with the sample, including the rim. Grab the card by the edges and, carefully, tilt it 5 times forward and backward. Put the test card on the surface and remove the protective tape. Place the test card vertically to let the sample flow down. It can take up to 10 seconds to start flowing. Finally, when the sample has filled the reading area, put the test card back on the table. On the Xplora app, frame the QR code on the screen to automatically scan it. Rotate your phone. Frame the test card inside the margins on the reading area. Make sure the test is the only object in the picture, that the image is sharp and there are no reflections or shadows before pressing the capture button. The results will be shown if you followed the previous steps correctly.